Summer heat doesn't have to make your chickens miserable. I'm counting down 15 frozen treats your flock will absolutely love. Why do frozen treats help? They add a little cooling, a little hydration support, and lots of enrichment, just like a backyard snack break in the sunshine. Ready to help your hens beat the heat? Let's go to the countdown. One tasty, icy idea at a time. 15. Frozen ice cubes. Plain ice cubes are simple, fun to peck, and great for lowering body stress during hot afternoons. 14. Watermelon cubes. Chilled watermelon is juicy, naturally sweet, and very satisfying when your flock needs a refresh. 13. Frozen carrots. Bite-sized carrot chunks stay crisp longer, making them a longer-lasting, cooling chew. 12. Bell peppers. Sliced peppers freeze well, adding crunch and bright color without getting too complicated. 11. Frozen herbs, mint parsley, or other safe herbs make your coop smell amazing and turn feeding time into a treat hunt. 10. Apple slices, seeds removed. Cool apple slices are a gentle fruit option when you skip the seeds and keep portions reasonable. 9. Frozen bananas. Frozen banana pieces are soft and easy to enjoy, especially for hens that like a mash-friendly texture. 8. Pumpkin cubes. Pumpkin cubes chill nicely and bring a hearty, comforting bite for your flock. 7. Leafy greens. Freezing greens help slow down fast eaters and keeps the fun going longer in the heat. 6. Frozen grapes. Cut for safety. Cut grapes first, then freeze them so your hens can snack safely and easily. 5. Sweet corn. Moderation. Corn is a treat. Use it in moderation to keep your flock's diet balanced. 4. Mixed berries. Berries offer bright flavor and antioxidants, and freezing them keeps your hens busy and happy. 3. Frozen pea fishing. Freeze peas in a shallow tray and watch your hens fish for them. Pure backyard entertainment. 2. Frozen cucumber slices. Cucumber is extra cooling, and the cold crunch makes it a perfect summer pick-me-up. 1. Frozen watermelon. Fully frozen watermelon chunks turn snack time into a slow, satisfying celebration. Now, for my favorite DIY idea, let's make a frozen flock feast. I'm filling a bunch ring mold with watermelon, peas, cucumbers, herbs, berries, and pumpkin, then letting the hens enjoy the whole frozen ring. Quick safety reminder, healthy treats should stay under 10% of your flock's diet, and fresh water and shade always come first. Safe foods include watermelon, cucumbers, peas, pumpkin, herbs, and berries. Never feed chocolate, avocado pits, raw beans, moldy food, or sugary processed foods. I hope your flock enjoys these frozen favorites as much as mine does. Stay cool, have fun, and as always, spoil your flock.
Cluck, 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 cluck.